If you're looking for a solvent-based panel prep spray that is really good and affordable, I want you to check out American Detailer Garage Reaper, and I'm going to show you how it works. The key to any successful ceramic coating is going to be your solvent-based panel prep. Some people use alcohol. It's not efficient enough or not effective enough. We need to use a solvent-based panel prep. Now, panel preps, they can smell really bad. They can leave residue, and that's not an issue with American Detailer Garage Reaper. And it's coming out really soon. So say you're going to prep your car and you're going to install American Detailer Garage Venom through your ceramic coating. This is a great complement to that, and pair it with an auto fiber saver applicator and some plush towels to level, and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you how this works. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray. We're not going to spray on the rag, okay? We're going to spray it on the panel, let it dwell, and then wipe it off. Now you can even spray, multiple panels if you wish. Now the one thing, while I'm waiting for this to settle, the one thing that I've had issues with some panel preps is if you miss a spot or the lighting isn't quite right, which of course we don't have that issue here, but if the lighting isn't quite right, when you wipe it off, it leaves this nasty residue behind. Now of course, we're never going to do that on purpose, but in this case, Reaper doesn't do that for me. What it tends to do, and I'm purposely using a towel that's already a little wet here from using it on other panels before we started this video. What Reaper, I've noticed, does is it evaporates a lot better than other solvent panel preps. Now I'm going to use a second towel to buff any remaining residue off. But with some, in some instances, you have a panel prep, and man, if you miss that wipe and it dries even a little bit, you can't get it off. I mean, you can, but it's not as easy as just wiping like I'm doing. Okay, so how do we know a panel prep is good? So let's say we polish the vehicle or it has like a dealership like sealant or something. And on this side, it's kind of smooth, but here it kind of grabs. See how my hand is not gliding over the paint? My fingertips aren't gliding over the paint, they're kind of sticking. We actually want that because we don't want any oils or residue left on the painted surface before we apply a ceramic coating. If we don't remove those oils, you're more likely to have a failure in the ceramic coating earlier than the rated time.